This video is to demonstrate how to wire your Advent air ducted ceiling assembly to your Advent thermostat. Today we are showing our new product, the AACDC with the ACTH25. However, this same process can be applied to previous models of Advent you may have. When doing so, just be sure to pay attention to the labels found on the wires. The control box has a white 6-pin plug which your upper unit will plug into directly. 12-volt power and ground are required and will feed the red and black input wires, which are labeled accordingly. If you have a furnace, you can attach the brown wire to the negative wire or the non-hot wire coming off of your furnace. Here you will plug in your freeze sensor before directly inserting the sensor into your AC's evaporator coil. For connecting your thermostat, you will use the 4 bundled wires labeled T-stat only. You can run 4-strand thermostat wire in order to extend the wires coming off the ceiling assembly to where you've mounted your thermostat. The red T-stat power wire will go to the 12-volt terminal on the back of the ACTH25, the black common wire will go to the ground terminal, and your 2 communication wires A and B will go to their respective terminals. Finally, you'll want to note the 3 dip switches found on the ACTH25 next to where you just connected your wires. If you are using a furnace, you'll want to ensure the 3rd dip switch is in the up position. If you are using this without a furnace, all dip switches will need to be in the down position.